Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use Temu coupon bundles. So, if you're unfamiliar, a Temu coupon bundle is essentially a compilation of diverse discounts and deals provided by Temu. Its purpose is to furnish you with numerous opportunities for savings in a single purchase. So, how can you make use of a Temu coupon bundle? So, first of all, you'll have to navigate to the Temu application. After reaching there, you'll have to locate and click on the section labeled as You. Now this action will direct you to this page. If you haven't logged into your account, please do so or create one if needed. Subsequently, proceed to the coupons and offers section. After that, you'll have to click on the coupons and offers section. Now, if you do not currently possess any coupons or offers, they will not appear. However, if Temu has provided you some coupons, they would be visible on the list. When coupons are displayed on the screen, they will also be accompanied by the coupon code that can be applied during checkout. Suppose you have multiple coupons in this section. The next step will be to jot down all those coupon codes and save them for when you are prepared to make a purchase from Temu. Now let's imagine I have a Temu cart where I have added a few items. While scrolling down, you will encounter a segment that prompts you to apply a coupon code. Here, when you click on the checkout button on your cart, it will prompt you to this page where you'll be able to apply your coupon code. As you can see, it is just right here. Now simply click on the apply coupon code button and proceed to paste each code one by one, applying them consecutively. By adhering to the instructions outlined in the video, you can effectively harness the Temu coupon bundles to optimize your savings on purchases. So that's a simple way to use coupon bundles on Temu. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.